Welcome back. You're watching Ask Profit on NDTV Profit, and Ravi Singh, Senior Vice President Retail Research of Religare Broking, joining us on this side of the show. Ravi, thanks so much for taking the time. Pleasure having you on the program. All right, we've got...
And the next question is from Parul, who's writing in from Dubai, and she wants to have a view on GPT Infra. She's bought it at the levels of 147. She wants to know if she can hold or sell now. Ravi, I'll come to you on this one. What's the view like? What are the charts indicating?
The chart is looking positive, and it's consolidated around 140 to 145 level. So put the stop loss of 140 and hold for the target of 165. And once it achieves the target, then kindly ask again, because there is a very volatile counter. So I can say that just once it achieves the target, then ask again, ask profit.
Okay, so that's with regards to where GPT Infra stands. The next question is from Nagendra, who's writing in from Tokyo. We're getting a lot of international messages today. He's holding 3,184 shares of Sadhana Nitro at an average price of 37, comparatively a very small counter. Sorry, my mistake. It's Sadhana Nitro, and he wants to know if you can help with an outlook on this particular counter. I'll come to you on this one, Ravi, for the charts. What are the charts indicating?
Ma'am, chart what indicating doesn't matter because of the illiquid counter. So I can say that there is a lot of stocks, they have a potential to go upside, right? If you 20 rupees or 22 rupees, then South Indian Bank is one of the option, and PSB Bank is one of the option, but not this stock. So I can say that take exit from here and buy South Indian Bank. They have enough potential to go upside around the 38. So better to switch your position.
So that's with regards to where Sadhana is concerned.
Lulu is asking the next question, asking about Texmaco Infra. And this is a share that he bought at levels of 142. He's currently incurring a loss of about 17,000 rupees. The share is currently trading at 99 or thereabouts. Ravi, on the charts, what are the prospects here?
Yeah, there is a very strong support around 90 to 88 levels, but I can say that don't panic, sir. This is the very good stock, and I can say that they have enough potential to achieve 135 levels. So from current level you can achieve 35% return on longer term. So I can say that do some average and buy more at this level. Put the stop loss of 90 rupees in a closing basis, and the target is 135. So don't panic, sir. Take call easily.
Okay, all right. So that's the view on Texmaco. Don't panic is the call from Ravi. Kiran is
calling in from Hyderabad. Deep, a very good morning to you. How can we help you?
Hi, this is Deep, and good morning to everyone. I'm calling regarding the Dixon Technologies.
Okay. I'm
holding a stock around, the stock for present, I'm holding around 210 shares at an average price of 15,858.
Okay.
I'd like to know the short-term targets and long-term or any options. Like I want to even accumulate at this stage also around 90 shares I can accumulate.
Okay.
And hold for short-term at least.
Okay.
I'm looking for. I'd like to have proper, little higher advice on this, because I thought the result was very good, and this, I don't know what happened for this share actually.
Right, got your point, Deep. I'll take this up with Ravi. Ravi is sitting on a loss of 2.6 lakh rupees right now, but he wants to know if he can continue to hold from a shorter term perspective to see some kind of bounce back in the stock. Like he mentioned, results for Dixon were stunning. There was a 121% growth in their overall revenues. What's the view like where charts are concerned?
Ma'am, definitely charts are poor now in recent days, but I can say that in a longer term, stock is good. If you compare with the IT industry, then I can say that this is the stock that they have enough potential to give a return of 17 to 18% on a yearly basis. So I can say that wait for some time. You may see some more correction around the 14,200 to 14,300 level, but don't panic at this point of time. wait for the 14,200 levels or 300 levels. Once achieve the level, then buy double quantity, add some more, put the stop loss of 13,800 level for the target of 16,000 level. So there are a lot of volatility in this counter, but I can say that sit with the patient.
Keep patience with Dixon Tech as far as the charts are concerned is the view coming in from Ravi. Sticking with the EMS space, Mario Lobo has bought Keynes Tech at 6,500 on the day of Q4 results, and he's holding around 20 odd shares and wants to know if he can continue to hold this as well from a 1 month perspective. Ravi, I'll again come to you on this one. EMS as a space this time has done significantly well. Even Keynes saw a growth of around 77% in their overall revenue. What's the support and resistance levels that you're observing on the charts?
Ma'am, there is a news impact. That's why we have seen some correction. So there is a very strong support around 58.50 levels. So I can say that put the stop loss of 58.50 levels. If cross below 58.50 level, then you take exit. Otherwise, just hold and wait for the your buying price level. So I think there is no panic. There is only the news impact. That's why we have seen some correction.
So that's with regards to where Keynes is concerned. Our next caller, Shyam, is calling in from Noida.
Hi, good morning. I just wanted to ask about Ola Electric.
Right.
It's trading at a significantly lower price from the issue,
right,
from the IPO. So is it a good entry level to Ola Electric? What does the technical chart say? I just want to know about that.
Okay, I'll take this up with Ravi. Ravi, I think the negative side of Ola just doesn't stop, right? In terms of earnings, revenue is down 61%, losses expanded, in fact, more than doubled to 695 crores, and net loss also stood at around 870 crore, even that more than doubled. So that's with regards to where, of course, the earnings are concerned, and the stock is also seeing a significant amount of pressure in trade today. But in terms of where the charts are concerned, do you have enough data to tell us as to what are the charts indicating?
Ma'am, I can say that Ola Electric, there is no spark is there. So I can say that, sir, buy another stock. I can suggest in 50 rupees or 60 rupees stock. The lot of stocks are more potential to go upside, and I can say that there is no uptrend or there is no space to earn any money if you invest in this counter. So I can say that buy at Morphin Lab at current level, put the stop loss of 5 to 6 rupees, and you can get 20 to 25% return on yearly basis. So there is a risk reward ratio is better, company is better, fundamental is also supporting, technical chart is also supporting. So buy more strong company at this level.
So my team is asking, in this case, is it better to book a cab from Ola as opposed to buying the share? Going by your analogy. Anyway, we'll come to that question in a bit. We had another slightly open-ended question, and this is from listeners on BSE, and this is a question from Chandan, who's writing from Hubli. He's sitting on a 200% profit. Should he book it right now? What's the view, Ravi?
Yeah, definitely. Don't be greedy. Book the profit. That is a good strategy.
The next question is from Pratik, who's at
250,000 shares. This is Satish from Andhra Pradesh. Should he add more? Should he hold? Ravi, what's the view?
Add around 840 to 830 levels and hold it.
Okay, Electra Green Tech is the next counter. Shrikant is Raman from Bengaluru. Wants to know as to whether he should continue to hold, accumulate, or sell. Ravi, what's the view like?
I think this stock is lesser volume, so I can say that I just avoid these type of stocks. Buy good fundamental or technical strong stocks.
Good point. Very good point. It is a penny stock. CDSL, on that note, is that a good stock to hold if you bought at levels of 1,400? Would you add more at the current price on the basis of the charts? What's the view, Ravi? Ishan wants to know.
Yeah, definitely they can hold, put the stop loss of 1480 levels for the target of 1780.
Okay, Electronic Smart India. Sridhar wants to know if we can enter at the current levels. Ravi, I'll come to you on this one. It's down over 50% in the past 6 months.
Yeah, it's difficult. to hold, I can say that buy NBCC at the same price is 116. They have enough potential, and also the target is around 140 to 150 levels. So just switch the position. This is the good strategy.
Okay, all right. On that note, gentlemen, thanks so much for taking the time. Pleasure speaking with you as always. And that brings us to the end of this edition of Ask Profit. Thanks so much for watching from Mahima and myself and the team that put the show together. Thanks so much for tuning in. Happy Friday, happy weekend, and do stay tuned. Up next is Know Your Company.